Markets on pause. Ganesh Chaturthi brings midweek break to Indian exchanges, but what happens next could surprise you. On Wednesday, August 27, 2025, both the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, NSE, are officially closed in celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi, one of India's most widely observed festivals. This marks the second trading holiday in August, following the Independence Day closure on August 15th, which commemorated the nation's 79th year of freedom. But here's where it gets interesting. Today's shutdown isn't just a symbolic pause, it affects every major segment of the Indian financial markets. Equity trading, derivatives, and even the securities lending and borrowing (SLB) system are all on hold. Investors and traders will have to wait until Thursday, August 28th, for normal operations to resume. Meanwhile, across the globe, market dynamics are shifting. On Tuesday, the S&P 500 closed higher, buoyed by strong performances from tech giant NVIDIA and pharmaceutical leader Eli Lilly. However, a political shakeup in the U.S., President Donald Trump's dismissal of a central bank governor, has sparked fresh concerns about the Federal Reserve's autonomy. Could this ripple into global investor sentiment? And this is the part most people miss. Asian markets opened cautiously on Wednesday, with investors keeping a close eye on NVIDIA's upcoming earnings report. Since April, equities in the region have enjoyed a robust rally, but uncertainty looms as traders look for cues on future momentum. Back in India, the commodity markets are also adjusting their schedules for the festival. The Multi-Commodity Exchange, MCX, which handles trading in precious metals, energy, and industrial commodities, will remain closed during the morning hours, but will reopen for evening trading. In contrast, the National Commodity Derivatives Exchange, NCDEX, India's leading platform for agricultural futures like oilseeds, pulses, and spices, will stay shut for the entire day. These midweek market closures can sometimes lead to heightened volatility once trading resumes. Why? Because investors often recalibrate their positions based on global developments that unfold during the break. Movements in U.S. stock indices, crude oil prices, and international commodity trends can all influence how domestic markets react post-holiday. Looking ahead, September offers no additional stock market holidays beyond the usual weekend breaks. But here's a quick glance at the remaining official market holidays for 2025. October 2nd, Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. October 21st, Diwali, Lakshmi Pujan, includes special Muhurat trading. October 22nd, Diwali, Bali Pratipada. November 5th, Guru Nanak Jayanti. December 25th, Christmas. Typically, Indian stock exchanges observe between 13 to 15 holidays annually. However, the real impact of these breaks often hinges on whether they create extended weekends or coincide with major global market events. Ganesh Chaturthi's midweek timing offers a brief breather, but also sets the stage for potential market shifts once trading resumes. Here's a thought-provoking twist. Should India consider aligning its market holidays more closely with global trading calendars to reduce volatility and improve investor confidence? Or do cultural observances like Ganesh Chaturthi deserve their space, even at the cost of short-term market disruption? We'd love to hear your take. Do you think these holiday closures help or hinder the market? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's spark a conversation. Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed by financial experts are their own and do not necessarily reflect those of the Economic Times.